Welcome to Above Math World. Today we are going to solve an interesting problem. X plus 1 whole divided by x whole square minus of x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. So here using the formula a by b whole square is equal to a square by b square. We can write this equation as x plus 1 whole square by x square minus x plus 1 whole square by x minus 1 whole square is equal to plus 1. So now in this one, x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square is common. So we can write x plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 by x squared minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Now dividing this equation by this x plus 1 whole square, so here we don't get x plus 1 whole square, but instead it becomes the denominator of the right hand side. So the left hand side is without this x plus 1 whole square, and this left hand side becomes 1 by x square minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 by this is x plus 1 whole square, or 1 by x square is equal to, when we take this term to the side, left hand side right hand side, it becomes 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So here it is 1 by x square is equal to, making one denominator, x minus 1 whole square times x plus 1 whole square, and here this cancels, we get x plus 1 whole square, and here we get 1 times x minus 1 whole square to x minus 1 whole square. This we get here. And from algebra we know that, so if we have a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, this gives 2 times of a square plus b square. So now using this, the above equation can be written as 1 by x square is equal to, so now here it is x plus 1 whole square and x minus 1 whole square is of this type. So the final answer we get is 2 times of a square plus b square. So 2 times of a square plus b square, here a is x, so x square, and b is 1 square divided by, and here x minus 1 into x plus 1, it becomes x square minus 1, and whole square is present, so we get whole square. So now here on cross multiplication, x square times 2 times x square plus 1 square is 1 is equal to 1 time x square minus 1 whole square. So now multiplying by x square and 2 for the terms x square plus 1, we get 2x to the power of 4 plus 2x square is equal to, and here expanding using the formula a minus b whole square, we get a square, that is x square whole square, x to the power of 4 minus 2 times of a b plus b square, that is 1 square, and finally 2x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4, it gives x to the power of 4 plus 2x square. When we bring this 2x square to this side, it becomes plus 2x square, so this becomes plus 4x square, and this plus 1 when brought to this side becomes minus 1 is equal to 0. So here the equation we have is a fourth degree equation. So that means we have highest power of x is 4. X to the power of 4 plus 4x square minus 1. This is the equation finally we have. So in this equation, if I take x square is equal to u, this equation becomes, when x square is u, x to the power of 4 is u square. U square plus 4u minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Here a is 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to minus 1. So u is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So u is equal to minus b is minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square. 4 square is 16 minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is minus 1 whole divided by 2 times of a is 1. So here u is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 16 plus 4 divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. And here 16 plus 4 is 20. So minus 4 plus or minus root 20 divided by 2. And u is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 4 times 5 by 2. So u is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 4 into root 5. It is root 5, root 4 is 2, root 5 by 2. So here u is equal to minus 4 by 2 is minus 2 plus or minus 2 you can cancel, we have root 5. So u is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 5. So two values we have, u is equal to minus 2 plus root 5, and the other value of u we have got is, say it is u1, and u2 is the value minus 2 minus root 5. And we know that root 5 is more than root 4 and root 4 is 2. So this value is slightly more than 2. So plus a value slightly more than 2 minus 2 is positive. Whereas here minus 2 and a number closer to minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 2, this gives a number which is less than 0. But here what we have taken, u is x square and x belongs to R, so therefore u cannot be negative. So this value we cannot take. The square of a real number cannot be negative. So by taking only this value and by substituting it, that means what is u? U is x square. When u is x square, then we have x square is equal to minus 2 plus root 5. When x square is minus 2 plus root 5, x is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 2 plus root 5. So one value is root of minus 2 plus root 5 and the other is minus root of minus 2 plus root 5. This is the solution to this given interesting problem. If you like this solution, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.